Usual screws. Let me show you there. Now they are Torx screws, Torx screws, and this one even has a tamper section, which basically is a pin in the middle, so that it's more difficult to take apart. You haven't got the correct screwdriver to go inside. However, if you don't have one of these, let me show you, you can always use one of these, a simple flat plane screwdriver. So let's take it apart. Now the first thing you need to do is, when you take these apart, I'm using this flat plane screwdriver. When you take it apart, you've got to push down and turn it. You can of course do a bit of shaking on it, and that tends to loosen them off. The other two are hiding, doesn't matter. Right, so that's now the top off. Purely taking it apart. I'm not going to repair it, just going to show you what's inside. It's made not really to be easily taken apart. This screw, you see it says Rally on it. Then use adjustable spanner, use whatever you like to get this off. So let's just see what else is holding it in place. In this case, nothing. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. And if this gave you value, then please share, like and subscribe.